Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Splitgate 2 game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application, and once you are taken into the store page, just click on the search box. And now you can type in Splitgate 2 to begin your search. Once you find the game, you can click on it, and this will take you into the game page where you can check out the trailer as well as the reviews. Scroll down and click on the Add to Library button to add this game to your collection. You can then click on the Play Game or the Play Now button to open up the installer. Now just choose your install directory and then click on the Install button to begin the download and installation. Once this process is completed, you can start enjoying the Splitgate 2 game on your PC. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install Splitgate 2 on your device. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.